So guys, this is the Activa and it's black. आमिर मेरे साथ है। आमिर, तुम किससे बात कर रहे थे फोन पे? जब भी जुनेद ये देखेगा ब्लॉग, जुनेद को पता चल जाएगा कि जो भी मेरे खिलाफ इतनी साजिश कर रहे थे वो कभी पूरी ना हो सकती। क्या लाया था अमीन? मैं पफ लाया समझा, बट पफ नहीं लाया।
हाँ
वो कुछ क्या मस्त सीताफल था वो। इंग्लिश क्या कुछ कस्टर्ड एप्पल बोलते शायद, नहीं कमेंट डाउन। So hello guys, welcome back, and today I am somewhere here like and you can see this. Here we having the signal and I'm here and you can see this. I came from that area. So let's see what's there here. I really don't know what's there here, and to be honest, I'm coming here first time without knowing. So let's see. And मेरे को बार calls आ रहे. Forgot that. So upside we have something like this, and I really don't have any idea what's this and what I'm doing over here, what I can film over here. Okay, so this is something like that. As you can see, this is some so nice place. Like I never thought that कि मैं इतना चलने के बाद मेरे को इतनी अच्छी प्लेस मिलेंगी कि मैं आप लोगों को बता सकूं। और ये है एक, क्या बोलते हैं इसको? कुछ तो बोलते हैं, मेरे को याद नहीं आ रहा। I'll show you something. Road to Nizam's home, and I'm standing on this, and this is one of the things from where the things. So this you can see over there, and I literally don't know, like this is something which is very nice, you know. And you can see the straight over there, and there is a road and there is a lane, different lane which we can connect that place. Who's this? Hello bhai, kahan hai aap? I don't know these people, why they are. So as you can see different side. This is the mall. I'm getting calls, you know, it's irritation. And चलो यहाँ से जाके देखेंगे कि यहाँ पे क्या है. As you can see, there is a place, and wait, I'll show you from back camera. So this is the place. As you can see, there is a line which, and there is a fort, like it's Golconda Fort. These all things, and I'll show you something else again. You can see the road there. It's like so many days, and I came here, and I came here lonely, you know. Like there is a wall you can see over there. It cover all this area. I guess I really don't have any kind of information about these things, but one thing I can say for sure, this is the wall, and it's kind of protection to this fort. As you can see, there is a fort, like I don't know, I'll show you from back camera, then you will get an idea. As you know, there is a mosque and there is a fort. As you can see, peaceful. एंड मेरे को बार बार फिर से कॉल आ रहे हैं लगातार, एंड देयर इज़ अ शूट गोइंग ऑन. एंड what else I can say about these places? I have to go there, and from there I can record this view, and the children are playing. So finally I reach over here, and you can see there is a garden, and it's not kind of a garden, it's a park, and there is a kind of pond. And I said you right, I will show you. These kids are playing, and you can see the view from this. And there is a thing, I don't know what kind of thing is related to. Yeah, let it be. And I think I have to go there, and I have to show that also, because it's looking quite interesting. And there is a gate. क्या नाम है मामा? यहीं से थे तुम? फिर यहीं से थे क्या? पूछ रहा हूँ. यहाँ पे कोई भी आ सकते है? कब से रहते तुम यहाँ पे? वहाँ से आए तुम यहाँ पे अकेले? अच्छा. So as you can see, seriously guys, it's so irritating. People are calling me, and I don't want to take any kind of risk, and I should go, I think, from this place, and I will show you that for sure. So, and I'm sitting here and breeze, you know. Called Amin, and he was searching me, and I called Amin. He will come here, and I'll show you, like, he will come here, and let's see him. So he is gonna come from this side, and oh my god, someone is towing the auto. And what else? I don't know where is he. Like, by work I came over here, and I never had any idea of this place. So let's see. He have to come over here, and I don't know how he is going to react on this place. And before that, he is gonna kill me, I guess, because we fought again, and that's really bad thing. That's usually happen, you know. I don't find him, man. Where is he? Amin, ऊपर. So let's see, he will come over here, and he have to come over here, and he is there. He will come. Where he is standing, man? It's too far, right? You have to come over here. So finally he reached, and I will show him this, and I don't know, like, how he will react to this, and see, as usual. And this is so exciting, you know. But I even have Amir and Nizam, but I didn't call them because, yeah, something happened in between us. There is a signal, as you can see, the vehicles are waiting over there, and there is a park and pound. Finally they both reach over here. Let's go up. Yo, मैं करता हूँ जो. Yeah, मत आओ. I already went up for so many times, and this. Again I am showing you people, and these are the two people who cannot even obey the timings. Yes, मेरी गलती नहीं है, आपका काम था, मैं आपको बोला भी था कहीं भी नहीं जाना. घर पे था, बोल मांगा, क्या करूं? आपकी क्या गलती है? लेट हो गया. क्या आपने गलती कर दी? यही आपकी गलती है, राइट? So I went there, and Amir is here, and he is doing something. See Amir, we people are looking. See yourself, man. So guys, he wants to go home, and I don't know what's the reason behind it, but unfortunately I can say one thing, that I didn't done any kind of thing, but still I'm not angry, you know, like I am not at all angry. See, first of all, I'll tell you one thing, I'm not in a mood. I already said you that I want to enjoy this Sunday, and I even said that this is so nice weather, but unfortunately UP ruined my day, and I cannot do anything like that, right? Because you people ruined my day, then how I can be happy? So let me feel the face and please. Please,
पक्का नॉर्मल है ना?
please, yeah, I'm
अब
very
तुम
normal.
कुछ भी बोले ना, देखो मैं खामोशी चल रहा हूँ, मैं बोल रहा हूँ।
I'll join with
उसके
you.
बाद पीछे नहीं ज्वाइन की को हम कहीं पे ज्वाइन।
Okay, Amir, don't do this on road like in my vlog. बहुत दिनों के बाद, कितने दिनों के बाद बैठा ना मामा मैं तुम्हारे साथ, तो बहुत लड़ने झगड़ने के बाद अब और थोड़ा लड़ना बाकी है, जो कसर हम जाके पूरी करेंगे। अदनान भी है वहाँ पे, और निज़ाम क्या प्लान है आज का?
आज
वैसे तुम गए थे कहाँ धोखा दे के, ये बोलो।
धोखा दे के नहीं, भाइयों के साथ गया था।
ज़रा ज़ोर से बोलिए।
गाड़ी चला रहा हूँ।
तो भाई साहब गाड़ी चला रहे हैं ना, लाइक पीपल एंड देयर स्टैंडर्ड्स. So we are in the car, and as usual he is there, Amir, and you can see this guy who is driving the car after ages, I guess. And what else? Amin is there as usual. He cannot show his face because he have some restrictions in his home. We can and see this. Okay guys, we have to listen to songs, and we'll meet you at the hotel. Bye. So we came here to buy something. इधर आओ मामा, तुम उधर कहाँ जा रहे हो? We'll go inside and we'll take a decision. Come here na. So we have to go upside. Steps चढ़ते चढ़ते ऊपर जा रहे हैं हम लोग दोनों. So there are so many people, as you can see, there are so many footwears. Oh my god, this is so nice. What else? So what? Amir. So finally we are inside. La 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 la, so many things in menu. HDFC. So guys, we are waiting for what? और मेरे तो मालूम भी नहीं भी तुमने क्या क्या ऑर्डर कर दी. तो एक चिकन BBQ मंदी है. अरे कल BBQ था ना, अच्छा अल्फहाम चिकन है, और एक चिकन मंदी हाफ है. सुबह से भूखे हैं भाई, और स्पेशली मैं तो सुबह में उपमा खाता हूँ. ज़रा जोर से. नीडेड एक्स्ट्रा डाटा टू स्टे कनेक्टेड ड्यूरिंग इम्पॉर्टेंट समथिंग. आई गॉट अ मैसेज, आई वॉज रीडिंग दैट.